What's up, guys? Dante here, Overland Rebel ATL. Happy Saturday morning. Today we're going to talk about a long overdue video about my propane setup. The number 2 question I get is, what is my propane setup? How do I have it mounted? All that jazz. So we're going to go over that today. Also, maybe some other changes. As you can see, there's no more rooftop tent. Maybe we got something else in the works. Follow along. All right, guys, so this is my Worthington 11-pound propane bottle. I went with the 11-pound over the 5-pound just so I don't have to fill it up as often, and it fits the rack good. The 5 pounds look a little stubby. The bracket that I'm using here is the power tank propane bracket. So power tank, check them out. I'll try to leave a link in the description. Not sponsored, so just hope you find it. It is mounted to my Leitner rack using MaxTrack brackets. So the same brackets that are used to mount the MaxTrack, I have right here, mounting the bottle to the mounting plate. Super sturdy, not going anywhere. It's been mounted for about a year, no issues. This particular model of the bracket does have a lock, so I don't think the new ones do, unfortunately. It's maybe just so that the tank doesn't pop off going down the road. I don't think it's really much of a theft deterrent, especially with this little dinky lock, but it serves its purpose. When I cook, I use a 22-inch Blackstone. I normally just throw it here on the tailgate, hook my hose up. I can leave the bottle mounted to the truck, unless I use a separate grilling table and take the bottle down. But that's how we have it set up. If anyone has any more questions, just let me know. So where is the rooftop tent? We just had another baby. We had a little girl. She is 6 weeks old. Decided to get rid of the rooftop tent. Didn't think it was a good idea with a newborn baby and our 2-year-old and 2 dogs. So changing up the setup a little bit, but I do feel like the truck looks naked without it. Maybe we got something else coming, maybe not. Do we go back to a ground tent? Do we do a trailer? Do we do a jumbo rooftop tent? I don't know, leave your suggestion below. And if you guys have any other questions about my setup or when we go camping or cooking, let me know, and I'm gonna try and do more videos. Thanks, guys.